Okay. You're at Isobune sushi boat. Kiana, did you point out the sushi boat? Say hi. Sushi boat. Sushi boat. Sushi boat. And I didn't crash the boat. Rock the boat. Don't rock the boat. Sushi. Oh, where's... So you name that sushi boat by?
I can see some beans coming up.
Oh yeah, edamame. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's some fish.
Rice fish too. Something.
Beautiful downtown Japantown, San Francisco. Mommy and me,
Some
Kiana and Mom, eating lots of plates of sushi. Let's see, add up the plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh, so many.
Don't forget this one.
Don't forget that one. Okay, bye bye for
And
now.
this one.
Oh, and that one too. I don't know. The crackly plate equals $5. Right.
I really
See you
like
later.
Bye again.
Oh, did you miss it? Can you? Hello. Goodbye. Hello. No pictures, please. Alright, bye bye.